first?
Right, we're going first to Our Lady, a shrine of Our Lady of Manaog. It's one of the religious places that I and the whole family used to go whenever I come for holiday. So we just go there for Thanksgiving, any of your special intentions, and just it's for praying. Religious place. So yeah, it will take like an hour to drive there, and after that we'll go straight to Bagio.
And in
Have a nice day to everyone.
And in Bagio we've got an Airbnb booked again for the night, and we're going to have dinner and some drinks in the beer distillery up there that we've got from the Juicy Vlog again. So there's 18 different beers apparently on rotating taps to try, and the food is supposed to be good, so we're going up there and we're going to try that out. So,
And
Raoul is with us and driving, and Justin is with us as well, coming in for a trip.
Good morning.
And it's obviously rained during the night. We could hear it when we woke up this morning.
It's clearing out so far.
But we're not the only crazy people out and about. There are a few others. So, yeah, see you later. Okay, so we've arrived. I don't know what I'll be able to film here. So you might get something, you might not.
Praise the Lord, that if no communion from our dear Son and things for our salvation through Christ our Lord. Amen.
So we've done the church, and we've done holiday lunch, and now we're off to Bagio. So we finally checked into the second Airbnb that we're here for overnight. It's a far cry from the last one, but it's going to serve the purpose. It means that we can stay here and head back in the morning. So yeah, the end of the line here for the first part of the trip. Just heading into the town now for a couple of hours and then on to the bids for dinner and things like that. So, landed in Bagio. Oh, I do love her, I really do. It's 5 times already she's tried to poke my eye out. Yeah, so we're just having a little mooch around because we haven't been here. I haven't got a clue, so
I've been here before.
I'm completely guided by Lorna.
This is the Portland Park. The park, garden.
I thought you were taking me to a market.
Yeah. Alright. We're doing the boat tour here in Portland Park. For half an hour. Half an hour to 100 okay. To get experience.
Bagio City is one busy, bustling place. We're next to the mall now, trying to find a dressing for Jason's bedsore. Justin's bedsore, sorry. And it's crazy. This place is absolutely bedlam with people. Different again to Manila. Busy, bustling, but dirtier, more pollution here I think. So thankfully Google Maps works a little bit better here than it does in England, or maybe we were just lucky, but we've managed to finally find this Bagio craft brewery. Nothing what I was expecting on first appearances.
See you later, Justin.
I'll take you upstairs. It's smaller than I expected, noisier than I expected, but we haven't had a drink yet. Good view shot though, if you can see that.
I don't know.
So there's the 18 beers on tap. Let's go have a look. So that's a pint of Englishman in New York.
But I don't want a rice in it if I put extra rice in it.
Get fussy on the menu. So the zigzagger wasn't bad. That's the strongest ale they do. Wasn't my favourite. The hop attack they didn't have. The purple didn't like that. And the anomaly was okay, but the Englishman in New York is amazing. It has got toffee and coffee and honey, and yeah, really, really good. Really hard to head thing on. And we had a few at the bar, so we'll look at the photos as well. But then we're going to order the food soon. So we've just ordered the food and some more beer, obviously.
I think that will be my last.
We're going to have a slightly different nachos by the sound of it. We're going to have it with some vegetables with the minced beef and with some garlic sauce. So that's interesting. And then I'm having sisig on a lettuce leaf.
Lettuce wrap.
But I haven't told you already, the sisig here is absolutely amazing. The lechon skin was also amazing, and I really wanted that today, but I don't think anything's going to come close to my orders. And yeah, they're my two favourite meals, aren't they? Without doubt. And what are you having?
I'm gonna have the crispy dinangkahan bread rice.
She said that.
Yeah.
And then Roland Justin are out in the van, kindly waiting for us downstairs, and they're going to have some pork belly and some chicken in the south. So I just hope they enjoy it, seeing as they're being nice enough to drive us here and wait for us. So yeah, it goes on. Okay, it's Friday morning, we're on our way back from Bagio. Just look at this view, incredible. So we're heading into San Fernando. Picked up the vegetables for dinner tomorrow. Lorna's Indian opinion. It's late in the morning now. We've been awake since about 4, on and off since about 1. Lorna's snoring, kept me awake half the night. But apparently that doesn't happen. So I dream about it, obviously. But yeah, it's quite nice and bright. Coconuts on Romblon than there are here, presumably because of the amount of forestry there. We've just come into this town area and there's loads for sale. Whereas in Romblon they will kind of just sit around all over the place, floating around everywhere really. That's all. Yeah, when they, because it's different to the coconut that we used to at home, but when they basically scoop the bucko out, and then the outside dries, left the shell remains, the brown hard shell at the very outside.
I can make it
Very different, and later on Norman's going to show us how to use it for coconut scrub, which is one of the many uses that they use them for, because I basically said with the amount of coconuts you've got in such an abundance, you must have got something to do with it. Apparently coconut scrubs are one of the main uses.